very, very in-depth. It's not like you're getting a worse education here. So doctors are incredible, dentists are incredible, healthcare professionals, incredible, nurses, unreal. It's great. And people don't think that. The problem is when you start looking into the quality and just the mentality here, people tend to cut corners. And that's what we learned when we first started doing stem cells. We worked with an outside lab, did that for not very long because we realized quality control wasn't there. The sterility, the making sure things are right, So we built our own lab, we built our own facility, did that and implemented our own lab so we could do it the right way. And that's what we've got. The big things to look for that I don't, everybody always says, how many passages do you go to? I mean, that's important, but it's not that important. Not like the way people try to make it out to be. Yes, every time a cell replicates and goes through passages, they get lazier. They send out fewer exosomes, fewer cytokines, chemokines. The signals they send to communicate, yeah, they get a little weaker, but we're talking such a minuscule difference, it makes virtually no difference. What does matter is when you get to like about the 10th passage, then the cells, you look them under the microscope, instead of being these nice, small, perfect circles, they start looking way big or they look kind of oblong and misshapen. And that's the problem. People always want to think that things just evolve and get better. Well, in biology, they tend to devolve and get worse. So the further you go, it's a copy of a copy of a copy. It's going to get worse over time. So you can't go so far. So look, most clinics out there, I don't think anyone ever has gone past the 9th round. We only go to the 5th round, and the first 3 passages are just isolating the stem cells because they adhere to the plastic of the flesh. So passage 1,